You just wait on it, dude. It's gonna be coming out. Yeah, I'm fucking nervous. How's it going, guys? This is Jimmy over at Signature Performance. I'm a sales rep over here. We got a customer, Jake, with a 2026 Chevy Tahoe in Cypress Gray. He gave us a call because he had one previously, and unfortunately that one got totaled. So he brought this one to us and we did it all up for him. When Jake first came to us, the biggest thing he wanted 35-inch tires. From his previous one, he already had that, so he kind of already knew what he wanted. With this truck, we decided to go with a 3.5-inch lift from Rough Country. They are one of the only manufacturers who actually has a lift kit if you have factory air suspension. So what we also paired up with was 35 11.5 20s, some Nitto Ridge Grapplers. We chose these Nitto Ridge Grapplers, one, because of the aggressive styling on them. These Nitto Ridge Grapplers have two different sides on them. So customers like the off-road kind of mud terrain look with these, but also like that they're basically an all-terrain tire. So the wheels we decided to go with, these are gonna be a 20x9 Fuel Rebel in matte black. These specifically are gonna be a positive 1mm offset to give it that nice flush look. The next thing the customer wanted us to do was he actually provided some nice steps for us. These steps are from Magnus and they're in a textured black design. So when the customer came to us wanting 35s, we wanted to make sure that this guy wasn't gonna rub and he wasn't gonna have any issues going left to right. So what we decided to go with was the Westcott Designs Fender pullback kit. And with the proper alignment, customer has no rubbing issues. So although this guy is not a huge build, did I say guy? I didn't say guy. Hey, rewind that, baby. So although this isn't a huge build, it changed the look drastically with this color and these wheels, 35s. It looks beautiful. We're excited to see what the customer thinks about the truck when he picks it up later today. Again, my name is Jimmy over here at Signature Performance. Please feel free to reach out to me or any of the other sales guys here. Daniel, Raymond, Jason, Jacob, we're all happy to help out wherever we can and get you looking like this guy.